The Two Foolish Friends. Once upon a mouse and a frog were close friends. They spent most of their time together. When the frog would go back to the pond, the mouse would miss him. And in the same way, the frog grew sad every moment. The mouse went off in search of food. So they took a rope and tied one end of it around the frog's leg and the other to the mouse's feet. Every time they missed each other, one would pull the rope to call the other. One day the frog went deep into underwater in the pond in search of food. He forgot that his feet was tied with mouses. He went deeper and deeper in the water. Soon as the poor mouse was pulled into the water and drowned. An eagle was flying over the pond. Then spotted the dead mouse. The eagle came down, took the mouse in its beak, and flew away. The frog was who was tied at the other end of the rope was as found by eagle. The eagle ate him too. Thus, the both friends came to an end because of their foolishness. So be careful, my friends. Don't be foolish. Thanks for listening and watching.